October 23rd, 70 leaders from U.S. health clubs, studios, and the supplier community met with U.S. legislators or their staff on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C., to drive home the importance of the fitness industry and the need for passage of the Personal Health Investment Today Act, also called the PHIT Act. The fly-in was in conjunction with the Fitness Technology Summit.
We've been running the Technology Summit now for 11 years, and up until last year, it was an event that helped to promote the company that I had founded, MotionSoft. Since then, I sort of looked at this industry. It's an industry that's given a lot to me, and I'm now an IHRSA board member, and I wanted to make sure that I could support IHRSA in any capacity that I could. Last year, we made a significant donation to the association and the National Health and Fitness Alliance, and this year we wanted to follow it up with actual action.
Prior to their meetings, participants received a briefing on the benefits of the PHIT Act. They were encouraged to share with legislators the impact that exercise has on physical and mental well-being, and to share their own stories as business operators in the fitness space. The industry leaders split into 10 groups and made their way to the pre-arranged meetings. At the conclusion of the event, participants expressed that those they met with offered positive feedback about the PHIT Act and the fitness industry in general.
This year, which was interesting about the fly-in, is that it was the biggest that I've ever been part of, and I've been to several of these over the years. But this turnout was different in the sense that it came from across the country. There's a whole new wave of advocacy going on in the fitness industry right now. And we need more of that, but there's definitely people who are stepping up, both from small companies, multi-club regional companies, as well as national companies, and that was really impressive. You can see that there's traction, that they're engaged, and they want to be here. They want to make a difference.
In addition to fitness formula clubs, participating brands included ACAC Fitness and Wellness Centers, the Atlantic Club, Gainesville Health and Fitness, Wisconsin Athletic Clubs, Retro Fitness, UFIT, 24-Hour Fitness, ABC Fitness, Matrix Fitness, and many others.
What's outstanding about the fly-in is that we're working together as an industry, people from technology, people from associations, people from different wellness and fitness clubs around the country have an opportunity to talk about what's right for our members and all the constituents across the country. So it's quite fascinating.
There seemed to be a high degree of interest in not only what the PHIT Act is all about, but really the changes that we have seen in the fitness industry more holistically since the pandemic. I think there's kind of universal sentiment that not only fitness is important, but the increasing focus on wellness and how physical activity can be a positive benefit to both.
And there's a lot of reasons why it's important for Matrix. Number one, a lot of our staff and our employees are passionate about health, fitness, and wellness, and they want to continue to see the rest of our population lead a healthy and active lifestyle because of all the benefits that's behind that. But number two, one of our marketing strategies is around market development, and we see this type of participation, this type of sponsorship, and being active with that can help grow the industry and really supports our initiative and our marketing strategy of market development and further growing the industry.
The work of advocating for the fitness industry does not end with this IHRSA fly-in, according to IHRSA President and CEO Liz Clark.
I think that it's important that everybody leaves today and realize that today was just the start. Today was the beginning of the dialogue, the beginning of creating a relationship. But all of these offices in Washington, D.C., they all have representation back home, back in the real world. And so wherever you are, there is a local office, there are local staff, and these members of Congress and senators come back. So I think part of it is today was step one, but you can continue to have that relationship all through the year. And you can continue to think about when you have a club opening, when you've got a great announcement, anything like that. Make sure that your local staff know that that's happening and invite them to be a part of it. Invite them to see the energy, invite them to be a part of what it is that we do.